Simplify this expression. 2p plus 3q divided by 9 plus fraction p plus 4q divided by 6. The LCM of denominators, that is the first thing we are going to get. And for us to get the LCM of denominators, we look at the first number we have here at the denominator. That is 9. This is 6. Now, LCM of denominators. Solution. To get the LCM of denominator, we have 6 and we have 9. Now, what number will go in this? So, in this case, what number will divide 6? And that is 2. We can use 2 as the first number. Because for LCM, that's lowest common multiples, we must exhaust all the numbers that we have here, the two numbers, such that at the end of everything we have 1, 1. So 6 divided by 2, what do we have? 3. Now, 2 is not a factor of 9, so 9 will remain. Now, the next thing, what number will divide 3? We use 3 also. 3 divided by 3, what do we have? 1. Now, 9 divided by 3, we have 3. We still have 3 here. We must exhaust everything so that there is 1. 1, 1 at the first, at this column, and also 1 at the second, at the third column. This is the first column, second column, third column. So, 1, 1 at the second and third column at the end. So, in this case, we can still use 3 because 3 is here. 1 divided by 3, what do we have? We still write 1 because 3 is not a factor of 1. So we still write 1. 3 is not a factor of 1. 3 divided by 3, what do we have? We have 1. So the LCM of the denominators, LCM will give us what? 2 times 3 times 3. What would that give us? 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. You can see, if you decide to multiply their denominators together, 9 times 6, you can see, 9 times 6 will not give you 18. Why? Do you know why? Because there is a number that is common to both 9 and 6, and that is 3. So that is why the product of their denominators will not give you the LCM here. So in this case, let's simplify the expression now. We have 2p plus 3q divided by 9 plus p plus 4q divided by 6. We know the LCM already, which is 18. Now, 18 divided by 9, what do we have? 2. So we say 2 multiply the first numerator, 3q. Then we go to the second fraction. 18 divided by 6. What do we have? 3. The 3 will multiply the second numerator. So we have p plus 4q. Now the next thing for us to do is to expand the brackets at the numerator. 2 times 2p. What do we have? 4q. 4p rather, sorry. That is 4p. 2 times 2p, that is 4p, rather. So, 2 times 3q, what do we have? That is 6q. Then plus 3 times p, we have 3p. 3 times 4q, 4 times 3 is what? 12. We have 12q divided by what? 18. Now, the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms at the numerator. Like terms. Like terms are the terms that look alike. So, like this now, we are going to bring 4p and 3p's together. So, that's 4p plus 3p. Then, we bring what? 6q and 12q together. So, we have plus 6q plus 12q. Everything divided by what? 18. Don't forget. So this will be equal to what? 4p plus 3p will give us what? 7p. Then plus what? 6q plus 12q will give us what? 6 plus 12 will give us 18. So that is 18q. So we have divided by 18. Now, you will observe something. 7p plus 18q remain the same. You cannot add these two together. Do you know why? Because p is here and q is here. So it makes the two terms to be unlike terms. Therefore, the answer to this problem is 7p plus 18q divided by 18. And that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.